are all in Australia, having Gather and Grow in Australian soil. So all business partners from across the Australia gather together here, and we have an event today for us all to learn together and grow together and learn together and share experience together and share our story together.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So,
welcome
and
to
grow
Australia's
together.
very
Yeah,
first Gather and
so
Grow.
we're about to
If you'd like to
start,
take
and
your
I will
seats,
see
the
you
event is about to
later.
begin.
See ya!